So in the last class, what we have learned, reflection using Huygens construction. Now today, refraction using Huygens construction. Okay, so let's see how it is. So first of all, let me draw the diagram, because here how the wavefronts are refracting, that we are going to see. So see here, now this is one medium, we can say. Let us consider this as a denser medium. Okay, this one, and above I am taking another medium. This is suppose rarer medium. Okay, now let us assume that the light ray is, or the wave is here like this, at this point. This point is A, and now is another one. This is 2. Okay, and now this light will refract like this towards the normal. So this angle is theta 1, this angle is theta 2. Okay, theta 1 and theta 2. Now here I am drawing one wavefront like this, and drawing one tangent to this, which meets here. And this one is your secondary wavefront, we can say, like this here. And this ray again refracts something like this at this interface. Okay, so as this angle is theta 1, this angle is also theta 1, and this angle is what? Theta 2, because this angle is theta 2 here. Okay, how it is? Let me explain one by one. Here it is B point, here it is C, and this one is D point here. Okay, now what is AB here? AB is incident wavefront. AB is what? Incident wavefront. Okay, you can see here. Next. Now, see here. We are having two wavelets, we can say. See, what are those wavelets? A to D. Wavelet A towards D and B towards C. These are the two wavelets. B towards C. Now next you see we have refracted light wavefront, that is DC. DC is what? DC is what? Refracted light wavefront. Wavelet is what? A towards D and B towards C. And then DC is what? Refracted light wavefront. Okay. Now you see this medium, which I have denoted with purple color. In the denser medium, velocity of light is more or less. Tell me, in the denser medium, velocity of light is less. Yes, no? Velocity of light is less. Therefore, what happens? Tell me. So, therefore, AD path is shorter than BC. You see, BC is what? BC is what? BC is what? Wavelet, है ना? Wavelet path we can say. So this is more and AD is shorter. Why? Because velocity of light is less in the denser medium. Okay. Now let's see the triangle ABC and triangle ADC. A, B, C and triangle ADC. Now AC is common now. AC is common. Yes. So see now, sine theta 1. Sine theta 1. Tell me sine theta 1, what you will get? BC by AC. What you will get? BC by AC. Now this BC, if suppose here you concentrate, this is suppose rarer medium I am taking, rarer medium. Okay. And velocity of light is what here? Phi1 I am taking. And below you can see this one is denser medium. And let us suppose in this you are having, or the light is having velocity phi2, right? Now you see this BC path and AD path. AD is less, BC is more. but the time interval between these two means the time required for traveling these two is same. So can I write like this? You see here what I'm writing. BC is equal to phi1 into delta t, because distance is equal to velocity into time. Yes, no, BC is equal to what? Velocity into time. And similarly, if I want AD is equal to what, ray? V2 into delta t. Understand? Because you know velocity V1 is equal to what? BC by delta t. And V2 is equal to what? AD by delta t. Understanding? Please tell. Yes. So therefore, at the place of BC, can I substitute V1 into delta t? Divided by AC is what, ray? Let it be AC only. Call this equation number 1. Understanding? Yes or no? Good. Okay. Now, similarly, you see sine theta 2. See here, sine theta 2 now. Sine theta 2, you tell what you will get, right? Sine theta 2 means this triangle ADC. Sine theta 2 is what? AD by AC. And AD by AC. So AD already I told how much it is, V2 into delta T. V2 into delta T divided by AC. Call this equation number 2. Now dividing equation 1 and 2, what you are getting, see, from equation 1 and 2, just divide these two, what you are getting, sine theta 1 divided by sine theta 2 is equal to phi1 delta t divided by AC divided by yes, Ishan, v1 by v2. So v1 delta t divided AC divided by v2 delta t divided by AC. So this AC will get cancel. This is cancel, then this also cancel. So what we are getting? phi1 by phi2. Okay, phi1 by v2. Now you see in the laws of refraction, I told you sin I by sin R. Sin I by sin R. We have learned, no? Here theta 1 is what, ray? Angle of incidence. Theta 2 is what? Angle of refraction. So if you have seen there, I will tell you again, sin theta 1 divided by sin theta 2. First, let me write this, phi1 by phi2. First to note down this, I will tell you again on the next page. Yes, finish this, note down. I will tell you ahead on the next page. Yes, finished. Yes, everyone finished. Okay. Right. Now see what we got. Sin theta 1 divided by sin theta 2 is equal to phi1 by phi2. Now this side, whatever we have learned that time, sin I, that is what, mu1 sin I is equal to mu2 sin R. Yes, no? And like this, sin I divided by sin R is equal to mu2 by mu1. Then after this, what we did, mu2 means what, ray? C by phi2 we did, है ना? And this is C by phi1. Then this C and C cancel. So what you are getting, phi1 by phi2. Here one hai, okay? phi1 by phi2. Agree with me? Yes? Yes, no? And similarly here sine I is nothing but sine theta 1 and sine R is nothing but sine theta 2, which is equal to phi1 by phi2. Hence, can I say that law of refraction is proved? Can I say like this? Yes. Understood? Yes. Clear hai? That's why I'm writing hence proved. You can write side if you want anything. Draw this. This is what Snell's law. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So note down fast. Finished? Yes, understood. Yes, you can see the diagram. Just what to do? Just two triangles we have to take, and just the distance we have to replace with velocity into time. Okay, and we have to prove Snell's law to prove the laws of refraction, and hence we can say that it obeys the refraction also. Yes or no? Clear? Okay. Yes, yes. Yellow, second page. Yes, finished? Right. Yes, finished? Right. Shall I go to the next page? Yes, right. So now see, this one was the little bit easy. Yes, no, understood? No. Now from here onwards, everything is easy. Okay, just you should understood wavefront. So I'm going to give you one column. I think in material also you are having that. So one more time, just draw with me so that you will understand more. So here, shape of wavefront. This is one table or box we can say. Shape of wavefront. Shape of wavefront. when a light wave interacts with optical devices. With optical devices means already I told you, है ना? Optical element, optical devices, right? Mirror, lens, all these type of things. So shape of wavefronts when a light wave interacts with optical devices. So first one, I am taking concave mirror. So how many optical elements we have learned in ray optics? Concave mirror, convex mirror, concave lens, convex lens, and prism. Yes, no? These many only we have to learn, no? So if light will incident on these optical elements, how the incident and refracted or reflected wavefront will be, that shape we are going to learn in this table. Okay, right? Okay, so let's see how it is. So first I'm taking one table like this. You just wait and later you can make, so that you will get idea how many boxes we have to make. Very small table, no need to make that much big also. Okay. So here you can take incident wavefront, and then reflected or refracted, and here it is type. So first I am taking type, that is concave mirror. What I am taking first type, that is concave mirror. So let's draw the concave mirror first here. And now you see, when light is incident parallel on this mirror, what happens? It meets at focus after reflection, है ना? Yes, you know this. So this is what plane incident wavefront, है ना? It is coming from infinity, and when it is reflecting, how it will be? Something like this. Yes or no? Check it. है ना? Like this only, no? For this reflected beams. So how incident will be? So I'm making one more column here. That is, you can see incident wavefront, how it is. Or less, no need of this. Just I'm drawing shape of the incident wavefront here. You will understand. ये देखो, like this is the incident wavefront, है ना? Okay, you can see here. Yes, and now reflected, because in the mirror it is getting reflected only, है ना? You can see here. This is reflected light. So this is incident wavefront, and how will be the reflected or refracted? Here it is not refracted, only reflected. So you can see this is like this something. Yes or no? Understanding? Yes or no? Understood? Next, now again you see for next thing is I am taking convex mirror. What I am taking here? Immediately I am taking convex mirror. Now you see how is the convex mirror? Yes, like this. So for convex mirror, we are going to shade from this side, है ना? And light will incident like this, which is parallel to this principal axis. And after reflection, what happens there? Light will go like this. Agree with me? Yes, you can see here like this light will go. Right? You know this. We have learned this, right? Yes, like this. So you see again, you are having incident wavefront, same like this only, है ना? Same like this incident wavefront, same as in the previous case. And how it will be reflected then? Reflected wavefront, how it will be? Yes, reflected, if you will draw, you will get something like this, है ना? How? You see here like this, reverse of this concave, है ना? So again here, this is incident wavefront. Understanding or not? Please tell me. Very, very easy this is. And how it will be reflected? Reflected will be something like this. You can see, है ना? Like this for convex mirror. Next now, yes, good, right. Next one is I am taking convex lens or concave lens. We will take first. Okay, okay, convex lens. Okay, first concave mirror we have taken now. So I am taking concave lens only. Okay, take concave, no problem. Sequence is no matter, you should understand. Just concave lens now. Now you know convex lens, concave lens. I think this is only the final diagram. We have to go on next page, I think. Okay. Wait. This is concave lens. Right. And now I am incidenting light on this lens. So how it will be? Like this I am incidenting. It will go away from the normal, है ना? Or what we can say? It diverges, है ना? Yes, it diverges. Huh. Now you see again, incident wavefront is what, Ray? Same like previous one. And how it will be? Yes. How it will be? You see, it will be something like this. This curved part is there now, outside curved part. Like that only it will be. You see here. Understanding? Something like this. Okay? Getting clarity? This is incident and this is refracted. Now here refracted. That's why in the column above I have mentioned reflected and refracted, both. Reflected in case of mirror, refracted in case of lenses. So here you are getting incident wavefront like this. Means in all cases almost you are having incident wavefront same. Yes, no? This wavefront you should understand clearly, and here how it will be? Same like convex mirror, है ना? So your wavefront is like this only. So how to keep it in mind? The shape is there now. Which side it is reflecting? You see, which side it is reflecting? Here it is, its side reflecting like this only wavefront. Here this side you see, like that only wavefront. Here also you see, outside part is like this curve now. So like that only the wavefront. That is refracted wavefront. Understood? Is that clear? Yes? Okay. Note down. Any doubt, please ask. Yes, are you drawing? Okay, draw it. Done. Okay. Shall I go to the next page? Okay. Right. Next one you see. Yes, we will try how many we can. Okay. So now I am not writing type and all, you know already. Yes. So here one thing. Yes. And these two columns. Okay. Now. Yes. Now see. Now see. Next is what, Ray? Concave lens finish. No. Now convex lens, right? So type is convex lens. And you know the convex lens. So I'm drawing convex lens like this here. And this is what incident light. And how it will refract, Ray? Like this it will refract, hai na, from convex lens. So it will try to meet at one point, that is converging lens, hai na? So like this. Now you see in case of convex, as I said you, how it will be, Ray? Here you see, again for convex also, you are getting like this only wavefront, this side shape. Okay, this side shape. So incident is same like for everything almost. Yes. And therefore here it is incident wavefront like this. And how is the refracted? Like this. Okay. Right. Next one, last one is prism. We will try to finish as early as possible. Prism. So you see, I'm drawing one prism here. You can also try as fast you can. And now this is incident light. You see, we are incidenting like this only, hai na? Like this. And refracted will be something like this. Yes, no? Incident. And this is refracted. So if you will see here, this will be your incident wavefront, and this will be your refracted wavefront. है ना? This is with the dotted lines. So this is what incident. This will be your incident. This will be your refract. Okay. So draw this.